Passive income is money that you earn without active involvement. In other words, it is income that isn't attached to an hourly wage or annual salary. Passive income streams could include things like cash flow from rental properties, dividend-yielding stocks, sales of a product, royalties, and more. Essentially, these side hustles can help you earn without contributing much, if any, active effort. If you are paid for a service you perform, that's active income. You have to put in time and energy in order to get paid. If you can continue making money while staying mostly hands-off, that can be a form of passive income. That doesn't mean you won't have to put work in up front to get started. You probably will. But besides some maintenance, passive income shouldn't require your active involvement. Run a blog. The most famous passive income stream tends to come from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, and more. It can indeed take upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate an audience through organic and social traffic or by building an email list. The biggest perk of creating a blog is that you can turn that one asset into several different streams of income. So if you're looking for an easy passive income idea, blogging might be the perfect option for you. Instagram sponsored posts. If you love Instagram as much as we do, you might want to turn your scrolling time into posting time to help you skyrocket your passive income. The best thing about Instagram is that you can literally create fan pages for absolutely anything. Whether you love travel, pets, fashion, home decor, sport, or something really peculiar like outrageous dog grooming. The options are endless, and why go with one option? You can create multiple fan pages and grow them all. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks reward investors with regular payouts of company profits. Because you have to own the stock to receive dividends, you likely will have to tie up thousands, if not tens or hundreds of thousands, of dollars to earn significant income from dividend stocks. Dividend investing isn't without its risks. Companies may fall on hard times and be unable to pay out dividends or have to decrease them. Look to preferred stocks or dividend aristocrats for higher dividend yields. Digital products. Digital products can be anything, from ebooks and lesson plans to mobile apps, even NFTs. What's key here is that you spend time building them once and then can sell the same asset again and again. You can take a passive approach to the digital products you create, or you can devote time and money to marketing them. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the most famous affiliate partner, but eBay, Owin, and 𝐤𝐤𝐧𝐠 are among the larger names too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to build a following and advertise products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog or otherwise direct people to products and services that they might want. Create YouTube videos. YouTube is the passive income stream that just keeps on giving. From sponsored videos to ad revenue, you'll find that you can make recurring income from your YouTube channel. The secret to creating a successful YouTube channel is creating content on a consistent schedule for a long time. That's it. If you stick with it for the long haul, you'll eventually start reaping the passive income rewards. Flip retail products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon and sell products that you find at cut-rate prices elsewhere. You'll arbitrage the difference in your purchase and sale prices and may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. Create a print-on-demand online store. With e-commerce being one of the most popular ways to make passive income online, it only makes sense to give a shout-out to print-on-demand. Print-on-demand allows you to sell your custom graphics on products like t-shirts, mugs, canvases, phone cases, bags, stickers, and more. The best thing about this is that you can build your own branded products without having to worry about production, fulfillment, and shipping. It's all taken care of by print-on-demand services such as Printful or Redbubble. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.